You will not get through the holiday season without seeing our supermarkets and retail stores lined with peppermint bark. And for good reason, you guys. It's absolutely delicious. But the problem is those are filled with sugars. Not to worry, I made it. It's keto friendly and it is low carb. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am sharing with you healthier versions of the foods that we love. And today is part 2 of a 3-part series where I am sharing with you 3 of my favorite healthier version recipes for the holiday season. If you've not yet seen recipe number 1, check it out. It is a blueberry cream cheese dump cake. Today's recipe is a keto-friendly, low-carb peppermint bark. And also, you guys, although I do believe that you can buy sugar-free peppermint candies these days, I made a peppermint candy in this video. So without further ado, you guys, let's roll the footage and I will show you how easy it is to make your peppermint bark candies at home. All right, everyone, this dark chocolate is melted. So what we're gonna do is add some of this peppermint extract to it. Give it a stir. Now this is ready to pour onto this soap pack, which I got this, you guys, from Amazon. I will leave the link to it in the description. Now this is ready to go into the fridge to set for a few minutes until it's hard, and then once that is done, then we're going to come back and we're going to put the melted white chocolate on top along with our peppermint candy. I'll be right back. So you guys, while that chocolate is setting in the fridge, let me just show you what I am using in place of a candy cane, because of course candy cane has sugar in it and that's not something that we can have on a keto diet. So what I did is I took some sweetener, I put it in a heated pan, and to it I added maybe 1 tablespoon of water and maybe 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I continued to boil it. After that I added some of this peppermint extract, and I'll leave the exact ingredients and the measurements on the screen for you. But again, since we cannot use candy canes, this is what I did to simulate the candy. And then once it's set, what I did is I just chopped it up into pieces. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take some of it and I am going to add some food coloring to it, so that way we can get the red that we see in a candy cane. And you guys, this is what this candy looks like. It looks just like candy. Okay. That chocolate. All right, everyone. Here I've got the melted white chocolate. Get it all the way out to the edge. Okay, next what we want to do is, while this chocolate is still wet, we want to take my peppermint, homemade peppermint candies, and sprinkle it on top. And again, you guys, this is going to stimulate my candy cane. So this is ready to go into the fridge to set, and once it has set, then you guys, we will be ready to cut this into the sizes that we want to present. All right, everyone, this is out of the fridge. Okay, and we're just going to continue to cut until we have them cut into the pieces, size pieces that we want. All right, and there we have it. I absolutely love this recipe because it's one of these things too that you can share with family and friends as a gift, or if you're entertaining, you can put it out on a platter. As a matter of fact, I did do a charcuterie board, and that is one of the things that I featured on that board was this peppermint bark. So you guys, if you are interested in learning how to make healthier versions of the foods that we love, such as this, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes,
into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff.
If you enjoyed this recipe, then please do give it a like. And also, if you know anyone that would benefit from what we are doing here on this channel, please also share my channel with them as well. And then also, please do remember to press that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the recipes that I bring to you here on this channel. I want to thank you also very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you right here real soon. And thanks for joining me.